Calling all curly hair lovers, if you love thin lace, beautiful curls, messy hairdos, and quick glueless wigs, this is for you. Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel, and today we're doing UNICE hair. We're jumping straight into this. You get the goodie bag and the wig in the box. In the goodie bag you get press-ons, wig caps, and your melt belt. UNICE sent me over one of their 13x4 everything wigs, and this is it. This is in the texture water wave, and as you can see it has pre-cut lace, an HD 13x4 frontal with glueless construction. They also include more tape and the glueless band in a separate bag. This hair is really soft and lightweight, and I want to show you how the lace looks without any tinning and how well they bleach the knots. And they also pluck the hairline for you. So we're going to go ahead and put on an HD cap. I already have on a wig cap, but I like the sheerness from the HD cap because once you put the tint on it, it just really blends into your skin like you see. It just makes for a better install. So yeah, that's why I do it. So you just want to tint your wig cap with a cream foundation that is your shade. And honestly, I like to go like a shade darker. And I also do that with my frontal, and then it's time to put it on. I find that this wig fits my head really nicely. The lace comes down to where I need it to come down to. And once I put it on, it feels really good and comfortable. I can wear it all day. So this is how the lace is looking, just straight out of the box with the tint on. Now I'm going to take whatever is left in that brush that I was using for my wig cap and the inside of the frontal, right on the edge of that lace on the hairline to just help further melt and blend that lace into my skin. So with these glueless wigs, they want them to truly be glueless, so you don't have to use any got-to-be or glues or anything like that. All you have to do is use the little tape that they sent with the wig to keep down your ear tabs so that it can truly still be glueless, but you still get that laid effect. So now as you can see, I'm just taking the tabs off of the tape and I'm just pulling it down snug right where I want it. Try not to leave any space and just press it down. And just like that, your wig is installed. It is really unnoticeable. As you can see, this lace without any glue, it's really melted. I mean, it's really nice. Now, as you can see, if you toss it too much, it is going to lift where it's not glued down or not taped down. But obviously you wouldn't be doing that. But as you can see, the sides are really down. They're not going to be flapping in the wind as usual. Now I'm just going to go in, do some little fine tuning. This first style is just showing you exactly what you're getting out of the box. No glues, no nothing like that. Just really simple install, beginner friendly, like UNICE would like for you to, you know, take it out of the box and install it. So this is it, just fluffy curls. Make sure she's even all the way around. The lace is great. Still glueless, just showing you guys we're still glueless. And yeah, that is it. I just want to say that their wigs really are glueless. I'm going to put one up in the cards that I did recently, that I did no got-to-be, no glues, no tapes, and it is truly glueless. I'm loving their hair and their lace right now. It just really gives quality. But this is how it came out. Yes, yes, yes. But we're about to get into how I would install it and a couple of styles. Again, this is what you get straight out of the box. So I'm going in with my bed head, hard head, which I'm absolutely in love with. Just saturate the hairline, pat it through because we're going to tie it down so we can get that nice melt. And when I tell you this wig melted so good, oh my God, it melted so good. So just watch the process and I'll be back. Okay, so for the big reveal, like, what? This lace looks so freaking good. And I'm just gonna tap it again with that brush that I was using. Just blend, blend, blend. We want it to disappear. I mean, just look at that. It's so freaking good. Pre-plucked really well too. So I'm gonna do some quick baby hairs, nothing crazy, but yeah, I'm gonna do some baby hairs. A lot of people don't like the baby hairs. You don't have to put them there. It's all about preference and also sometimes just the wig that you're doing. It's about the lace that you have. It's a lot of reasons people do it. I personally do it just because I like it. And sometimes I just feel like my forehead is the main thing that people are looking at when the wig is on. So I want it to be like fancy and cute, but that's just me personally, right? So I'm just using my bed head hard head again to do my baby hairs. You can use gel, styling foam, whatever you choose. I use this because I didn't want to have to tie it down or anything. I just wanted to dry really quickly and be done with it. So this style is just super simple. Obviously, it's like a flip over, no part type of big curly do, which I've been really into lately, just the big fluffy curls. Sometimes I go through the phase of like, I want them defined and more, you know, wet looking. I've been really into just like the big fluffy hair, but the hairline is immaculate. I love it. So now moving on to the last little quick and easy hairstyle that you can do just last minute, just half up, half down. I love a quick, messy, curly look. So that's what we're gonna do. And I wanna say that when you take all of this hair up into a messy bun, you really can't clock it. If you have the front like really laid down, I really love this wig. I really do. Like if you're into curly hair and you like to just like have it messy or just rock it around the house, lounge around, this is it. So this is the look, girl. The weeping willow of curls. Yes, yes. But this is the back. You know, it's just something quick and easy. I didn't want to just leave y'all after the 3 minutes because this is a quick wig, but it serves from the front to the back, baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I absolutely love it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.